can call him Mari, yeah, my teeth, babe. It's a beat, gotta keep a carbon in my.
Welcome back to another video, man. It's your boy Chevy Shouter, man. We outside. It's Saturday night. Yeah, Saturday night. Friday, I ain't going nowhere. I'm sitting up here waiting on that boy Josh, man. Tonight's supposed to be a movie, so we about to see what it look like. Y'all stay tuned for the vlog, man. We about to get into something. I'm trying to bring out some more ZL1s tonight, man. I'm trying to round everybody up, man. You know, the other video, we had 3 of them out. It seemed like the limit for the city for some reason. I can't never get more than 3 out. But tonight we gonna see. Apparently it's already 2 people already out. Then me and Josh linking up now, so that'll make 4. So we'll see if the other 2 still hanging around somewhere. But we about to go hit this block party. I hope it's nothing but good vibes, positive energy, man. You know, we ain't on no bullshit, man. We just want to pull up, show the cars, have fun, network, campaign, you know what I'm saying? Put on for the Z's, and then we out, you know what I'm saying? But y'all stay tuned, man. I'm finna get y'all some good B-roll footage real quick before that boys pull up. And yeah, that's how we get. That's how we rockin'. All right, man, so we got the V. I did a quick wash on it real quick at the little standing car wash. It looked decent. Wiped it down with a little microfiber towel. I had to get all that damn burnt rubber off the front of it, but it didn't goddamn fuck my wrap up in the front, man. I got so many black streaks on my shit now. Shit look terrible in the front, man. You fucked my shit up the other night. Did all that damn burning out and shit. Look at this shit. I got a whole fucking black streak here. I got another black streak right here. Another long ass one right here. So I'm gonna have to take like an alcohol pad or something and try and wipe it off. But the Z definitely look fucking good, though. Yeah.
Bricks, that shit finna kill these niggas.
We all about loyalty and royalty.
And come up.
We kicking shit over here.
You understand me?
Yeah. I'm for my brother. He watched me struggle. Came up together. Go get that bag. Bring in that cash. We turn up bad. Projects to mansions. Shit crazy like Marilyn Manson. Look how my diamonds dancing. My bitch is fancy. My bitch so fancy. My bitch so fancy. Look how my diamond dancing. Look how my diamond dancing. Shit crazy like Marilyn Manson. Shit so crazy, dawg. Yesterday I walked in Lindy, fucked up the whole mall. Diamond dancing on my neck like a disco ball. So yeah, man, I don't know if y'all can see, but way back there in the back, man, I told that boy Josh meet me up here, man. Meet me up here at the movies, cause we finna make one tonight. You feel me? You hear me? We finna make a movie tonight, man. You know what I'm saying? We got a nice little white tee on with the little jewels out tonight. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, we finna make a movie tonight, y'all. Y'all see this in the background, man. This shit finna go up tonight. I'm trying to tell you. I'm waiting on this guy. He always fashionably late. I gotta wait on him, but yeah, man. Definitely. I don't know if y'all can see it. Yeah, man. I told the boy, pull up at the movies, man. We making one tonight. We finna make a movie tonight. Pull up on me. Meet me here. Yeah. That boy Josh done pulled up, man. So yeah, we getting ready to make a movie tonight. I told that boy to meet me at the movie because we finna make one tonight. You hear me?
Yeah, you already know.
Yeah,
man.
buddy.
Like I said, y'all know, first of all, like and subscribe right now.
Already.
Or you getting smacked.
Hit the thumbs up. Hit the thumbs up.
Hit the thumbs up or your kid getting smacked.
Damn. You heard him.
You already know.
You heard him. Yeah, we getting ready to push out, man. Meet up with everybody else. And then, yeah, man, we finna ride through the city, man. We got a little journey. We away on the other side of town, but we'll get there, you know what I'm saying, fashionably late. But yeah, y'all see that thing, that boy cleaned up, man. He was just getting ready to snatch the wrap off of it. Told him, hold up, wait a minute before you do that.
Hey, for real. Like, hey, hold that bitch. Hold that bitch.
Yeah, hold that bitch till at least Monday. Then you can wrap it off. Damn. Shit, back then, small. What's happening? Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Chevy.
Shan.
What year yours is?
22.
Okay.
What you got?
23.
The first one I had, it had a sunroof with it, but
Yeah.
that shit was bullshit. That was a 23.
Yeah.
But I went to Florida and got this one.
Yeah. It got some work done to it. Now it's
Yeah, I
still
gotta
stock.
start on.
Yeah. Got now walk the parking lot. See,
I want my sister like that. That's how my
y'all shit.
LT1 was. Like, that
Yeah.
bitch. Y'all put one to that bitch.
Yeah. Let me hit that parking lot. See what's out here. Hey, Will ain't here yet? You ain't seen him? Yeah. Pick his ass out the crowd. Yeah. Man, I sure live. Boy came out in there Impala motherfucker. This is a little coyote. Yeah. Goddamn, what you done brought a bottle too, nigga?
I was trying to get, it was a bottle shop down the road. I was like, hey.
On the inside. Yeah. Somebody. Seen it punch?
I feel like somebody about to smack my ass.
Yeah. That shit part weird. I really want to goddamn angle mine in some more. It's all good though.
In this entrance, I was like, bro, they about to smack me. I don't trust none of these kids.
Yeah, cause when you were trying to pull over here, they were goddamn driving stupid.
Hey, I got y'all. I door dinged both of them.
Hello? Oh, it's deep. I bet. See what's out here tonight. They got that old Bentley out there, motherfucker. Wow, okay, wow. Somebody probably the owner up here. Ain't nothing back here. Oh, he got the drop top in the back. Camaro, my boy. I see you, my boy. They got a whole gate. Mustangs out here on the outside. Nice Camaro right there. Some more shit out there. I was trying to see what was over there. I'm trying to see what's going on.
I ain't gonna lie, I'm nervous. I gotta put my car a little bit, bro.
Yeah.
Move that shit.
As long as nobody do no stupid shit. That bitch tight as a bitch, boy. Tight as a motherfucker. Shit, why you tight as hell?
What do you mean by that?
Pause.
Hey, this ain't the one I stopped, bro.
He ain't getting out. Yeah. Alright, y'all, we actually did it. So this is the first time it's ever been more than 3 ZL1. So we got 2 right here. We got the white one, Shan. Got my boy Red Hot Vert. He dropped the top on y'all, boy. We putting it up now. Got that boy Josh. Purple and black, soon to be changed, you know what I'm saying? You got that one LE. Yes, sir. This the fucking, I was finna buy one of these. The Charger I was finna get, it was this color with a satin black hood. They fucked me over on the deal, so I said, fuck it. I still ain't got over that shit, yeah. They told me one price over the phone, I got there with some other shit when I got there. Hell yeah. Waiting on somebody to do some dumb shit. That shit out here for Mustang. 15. I see it. All the Infinity boys, Fin. Got a little small duck bill on them, don't it? These bags. 3 series now, or that's a 5. What does it say? Jesus is King. Chicken. All the Dodgers. It's a nice BMW. What Hellcat? That's a shock. Old challenge. Shit done turned up a little bit. I had to goddamn go. Gotta find my boy. There you go. I see that motherfucker from way over here. There you go. Hold on, before I walk up on him. That boy got a whole crowd around that car. Look at him. Look how they treat this EO6. Look at him. Man, you know this shit push about 2,000 horsepower, you know what I'm saying? Had to send it off to Texas, you know what I'm saying? That'd be clean. Yeah, so that boy back outside, ain't it? Got him. That boy got him. Damn, we gotta go. Golly. Having octane in the morning.
Somebody, you know, I'm gonna see if I can. Make it there. Okay. Yeah.
If not, shit, we'll see you next month.
Yeah.
For sure. I'll keep you posted on the details.
All right, man.
All right. Man, that's lame as hell. Damn, man. Niggas just got situated. Nah, let's go. Come on.
I guess we gotta see where Fresh at then.
Yeah, I'm gonna call him real quick. Shit, we finna go back over here real quick. You wanna do that? Huh? I saw a gas station right here. Make that left at the light. Hey. Go to the gas station. Like the race cycle QT down there. Oh boy, I'm out here. I ain't trying to be the last motherfucker in line. Damn, man, we wasn't even doing shit for real. Yeah.
Hey, man, be careful coming out of this bitch.
I know.
We about to be pulling bubble cars out of this.
Yeah, I see. Yeah. That's why I'm finna take it easy.